In this video, you can trade in the best possible way in the shortest possible time with this technique in 1 minute and trade with a high win rate. Here's how to execute a basic scalp trading scenario. First, you study the prices and charts of digital currencies to understand when their value may increase or decrease. Price tracking and charts help you decide when to buy or sell. When you are sure that the price of a digital currency will increase soon, you immediately buy some of it at a lower price. When you buy a currency at a low price, you wait for the price to rise slightly and then sell it and make a small profit. After selling, you repeat the process by looking for another opportunity to buy low and sell high. This process can happen many times throughout the day, allowing you to make many trades with small profits. It is important to be quick and pay attention to prices and market trends because prices can change quickly. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. By using the parabolic head, you can find the direction of the trend and the points where there is a potential for the trend to return. But due to the possibility and error signals, the trade strategy can be optimized depending on the creativity and skill. In this article, the trading strategy with the THIS parabolic indicator is taught. This indicator is placed as a set of points below or above the candle. It shows the trader the type of trend by its positioning relative to the candlestick. Parabolic means parabolic and THIS stands for stop and reverse. The parabolic star moves with its points along with the candles and gives the trader information about the trend and the opening and closing points of the trade with the position of the points relative to the candles. Therefore, it is possible to get a signal from the parabolic SAR to enter and exit the transaction. Determining stop loss with parabolic SAR. One of the uses of the parabolic star is to determine the location of the stop loss. After opening the purchase transaction, the stop loss can be placed under the indicator point. In addition, SAR can also be used in trailing stop loss. In this way, after opening the purchase transaction, he changed the stop loss point by increasing the price or the rate and moving up the candles. By creating a new point, the stop loss is placed on that point. It is clear that in the upward trend, each point is higher than the previous point, and in this way, the stop loss moves in the direction of the trade to achieve maximum profit. The same method can be implemented in the sale transaction and trailing stop loss. EMA 200 and parabolic SAR. By adding moving origin exponential with a time period of 200, the long-term trend and the main direction of the market are better recognized. When the price is above the 200 EMA, the main trend is up. In this case, only buy signals will be valid. When the price is below the 200 EMA, only sell signals are considered. In addition to identifying the main direction of the market with EMA 200, it can also be used as support and resistance. If the rate or price chart reaches EMA 200 from the top, moving origin plays a supporting role, and the entry signal can be taken with parabolic SR. If the price reaches the moving average from below, it has actually hit resistance. You can enter a sell trade with the parabolic SAR signal. Of course, in all these methods, it is important to have a stop loss and observe capital management. This strategy is important to combine with EMA 200 and trade with it. Why is it important? Because the trend that EMA 200 creates is the same trend that in the EMA rule, whenever the price is above the line, it is a buy signal, and whenever it is below it, it is a buy signal. Tuberculosis is given, so it is appropriate to trade by following this rule. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.